Mr. Antonio Guterres, my name is Gulala Hasanova. I am forced to address you publicly today because no other safe or effective channels remain. People are being erased in silence, and the world is choosing to look away. We have witness testimony indicating that Alisher Sahatov is being held in Turkmenistan. He is not free. He is not under the protection of the law. He is being held in inhuman conditions, in places where there are no cameras, no oversight, and no guarantees. According to witness accounts, Alisher Sahatov was struck on the head. He is being detained by force. He is held in complete isolation. He has no access to a lawyer. All contact with his family and the outside world has been cut off. Alongside him is Abdulla Orusov. He is bound. His mouth has been covered. He has been humiliated and subjected to systematic abuse. He is psychologically broken. People are held 14 at a time in the same enclosed space, treated like animals. There is no light.
No medical care.
No conditions compatible with human dignity. All of this is happening under the knowledge and supervision of individuals who present themselves as religious, moral, and responsible state officials. They hide in basements, in places without cameras, in places where no traces remain, in places where people disappear, and truth disappears with them. Mr. Guterres, if today the United Nations does not ask out loud, where is Alisher Sahatov? Tomorrow there may be no one left to ask this question. Silence is not neutrality. Silence is complicity. We are not asking for sympathy. We are demanding action. We demand the actual implementation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the Geneva Conventions. For the authorities in Turkmenistan, these documents have become a fiction, mere formalities displayed for appearance while being systematically ignored and violated in practice. We call on you to formally demand that the authorities of Turkmenistan disclose the fate and whereabouts of Alisher Sahatov. Initiate an independent and international investigation into this case. Immediately activate UN mechanisms on enforced disappearances, torture, and the protection of human rights defenders. Place this case under your personal oversight. If today people can disappear without names, without courts, without answers, then tomorrow anyone can disappear. Mr. Secretary General, we are addressing you because we still want to believe that there is a line the world will not cross in silence. Say his name out loud. Ask where he is. Protect his life. Alisher Sahatov must be found, and he must be alive.